Unleash your filmmaking vision. Top 5 cameras for filmmakers in 2023. Hey guys, in today's video, we will discuss the best 5 products and what you should look out for before purchasing a new one. We have ranked these products according to their performance, price, durability, and more. Please head forward to the description to know more about it and its latest pricing if you want to know more. Best overall. Sony A7S Mark III. The Sony A7S Mark III is quite popular with a lot of filmmakers. It's a compact, light full-frames body with a great autofocus for $3,500. Although there are better 4K cameras for filmmaking, it's definitely a camera to consider. When you are hybrid shooters, it's not the best combos, but it surprisingly performs great in shooting still, despite the 12-megapixel sensor. If you love to shoot photo for your blogs or social media, this beast won't disappoint you. The Sony A7 Mark III is very compact for a full-frame camera. The grip improved greatly compared to its predecessor and the A7R bodies. The grip offers much more spaces for your hands, especially if you have bigger hands than the average size. The weight distribution depends on which lens you have fitted. The sensor of only 12 megapixels may sound a bit disappointing, but it isn't. The larger but fewer pixels on the sensors will give you a great benefit at high ISO, and it reads much faster, reducing the rolling shutter that many mirrorless cameras can have. When using active mode image stabilizations with video, there is a very slight crop in on the images, though Sony did not specify a crop factors but maintains that you don't lose full 4K resolution or quality. The high-performing autofocus, great low-light performances, and the wide ranges of 4K 10-bit recording possibilities make the Sony A7 III the best camera for filmmaking. It produces a high-quality professional image with an incredible dynamic range and beautiful colors. Best hybrid, Canon EOS R6. This hybrid full-frame mirrorless camera of Canon with a refined 20-megapixel CMOS sensors and able to record 4K 60 video is another excellent camera for filmmaking. After Canon released the expensive EOS R5, it took a little bit of time to introduce the Canon EOS R6 to the audiences. The attractive amount the R6 compared to the prices of the R5 ranks this camera before his big brother. Resolutions-wise, the Canon R6 can't beat the R5, but to be honest, 8K is overkill these days. Canon understands, like no other, how to build a great camera for as well shooting stills as video. The Dual UHS-II SD memory card slots provide ample storage space for your creative endeavors, ensuring you never miss a moment. The camera's high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter allows you to precisely capture fast-paced action. The ergonomic body design ensures comfortable handling for extended shooting sessions. The Canon EOS R6 also features advanced autofocus capabilities, including eye detection autofocus, which ensures sharp focus on your subject's eyes, even in challenging lighting conditions. With the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can wirelessly transfer and share your images and videos. Whether a professional or an enthusiast, the Canon EOS R6 is a reliable and versatile camera that will elevate your creative possibilities to new heights. Best Micro 4.3. Panasonic Lumix GH6. The Panasonic GH6 is a mirrorless micro 4/3 camera with a sensor capable of producing 4K 60p 4x2x2 10-bit unlimited recording internally. The camera comes with Apple ProRes 422 HQ, V-Log, and the exciting DR Boost option. You can also shoot 5.7K at 60p, 4K at 120p, and Full HD at 300p. The GH6 beats many other competitive cameras in the market with the sheer bunch of 10-bit shooting options. In-body stabilization is an essential aspect of filming, and regardless of the camera or lens you're shooting, this technology helps you get blur-free footage. You're talking about pure body, base sensor shift image stabilization on the GH6. The camera also comes with what Panasonic refers to as Boost IS mode. This will only work with static shots. The subject or the camera isn't moving around. This is an excellent mode that it stabilizes the camera rather well. There is an excellent tool in the autofocusing mode, which comes in handy when used to the limit the rock focus tendency of the camera between subjects at different focusing distances. This tool, known as Focus Limiter Range Set, allows you to set the focusing range to hop back and forth and limit the focus hopping at wild distances. In terms of auto recording, the GH6 can make most other camera systems shy with its complex 4-channel audio support and the new audio interface that gives a sheer amount of customization options for audio recording. An excellent choice for vloggers and serious filmmakers. Best photo camera for filmmaking: Nikon Z7 II. The Nikon Z7 II FX format mirrorless camera body in sleek black is a top-of-the-line camera that brings cutting-edge technology to the world of photography. With its full-frame FX format sensor, this camera delivers outstanding image quality with exceptional detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range. The mirrorless design allows for a compact and lightweight body, making it ideal for travel and on-the-go shooting. The camera is powered by Nikon's X-Speed 6 image processor, providing lightning-fast performance and improved low-light capability. Featuring a 45.7 megapixel resolution, the Z7 II allows you to capture stunningly sharp images with remarkable clarity. The camera also boasts a high-speed continuous shooting rates of up to 10 frames per second, perfect for capturing fast action moments. The advanced autofocus system with 493 focus points ensures precise and fast subject tracking, making it ideal for wildlife, sports, and portrait photography. The Nikon Z7 II also offers 4K UHD video recording capabilities, allowing you to capture cinematic quality videos with outstanding detail and dynamic range. With this durable build and weather-sealed construction, this camera is designed to withstand the rigor of professional use. The Z7 II features dual memory card slots for enhanced storage and backup options. With its powerless features and innovative technology, the Nikon Z7 II FX format mirrorless camera body is a top choice for professional photographers and advanced enthusiasts who demand uncompromising image quality and performance. Best beginner camera: Panasonic Lumix GH5S. These immense popular video cameras are not only used by vloggers, but also by filmmakers as well. There are many good reasons to choose this camera as your workhorse for filmmaking, especially when Panasonic released the GH5S. With this little beast, you have so many possibilities, where Panasonic designs the GH5 as a hybrid camera capable to shoot high-quality videos and stills. The GH5S is further developed for filmmaking and videos. The GH5 was the only 4K cameras capable of recording 60 frames per second in this resolution for a long time. It still is considered the best cameras for 4K video in this price range. The Panasonic GH5 and GH5S almost look the same. Apart from the red recording buttons, red S and red ring around the drive dials of the GH5S, the bodies are the same. We have to look inside to discover the real differences. The Panasonic GH5S and GH5 can record in 4K Ultra HD or Cinema 4K format. The differences is in the Cinema's 4K, where the GH5 is limited to 24 frames per second, and the GH5S can record up to 60 frames per second. And 4K UHD, both cameras can record tops to 60 frames per second. Vlog is a flat colors profile providing a wide dynamic range of 14 stops for GH5S and 12 stops for the GH5 at a native ISO of 400.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.